Did you know that the city of Cape Town is currently working on building a wall on both sides of the N2? The project is estimated to cost around 114 to 115 million rand. Some estimates put it as high as 180 million, and it's in the planning stages. Now, this wall is supposed to be about 2.4 to 3 meters in height, and it'll cover an area of about 9 kilometers, which is in the area around about the airport. This is supposed to be on the most dangerous part of the N2. Now, I have one major criticism about this wall. It's not going to be big enough. Yeah, so in essence, the wall has to be bigger, it has to be better, it has to be thicker, and it has to be stronger. And that is all I want. I just want more wall. Give me all the wall. Um, all jokes aside, this is a terrible piece of road. I personally have been mugged on this road twice on my way to work and back. I know so many people who have had rocks thrown at their cars. I know people who have been mugged. We know of so many people who have lost their lives, and this is an incredibly dangerous piece of road. And now, so many people are throwing a tantrum about this and coming about it with talks about inequality and all kinds of nonsense like this. But the reality is, if you have a criminal element and they are terrorizing your public infrastructure and they are blocking the main artery that is taking traffic into the city that would block the economy, like this has to be handled. And if you have a city that is in the state that Cape Town is, and the government that Cape Town has resulted in this, then you have to do something drastic in order to solve that. So building this wall is the way to solve it, and I am all for it. Um, if anything, I think we can learn from the main wall builders in the world, like this this great wall that is on the Egyptian border. Funny enough, not so many people talk about this specific wall, but it's great. We can take some cues from that, and we can build a great wall. So bring on the wall, build it, give me all the wall. And anyone that disagrees with me, I encourage you to build a wall and get over it.